What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Tray. Today we're taking a look at a tablet that's clearly built for students, creators, and everyday multitaskers who care about display quality, smooth performance, and productivity-ready features. This isn't just a tablet for watching videos, it's a portable workstation designed to handle studying, note-taking, streaming, and creative tasks all in one clean setup. This is the Lenovo IdeaTab, and right away it stands out as a complete college-ready package with its 11-inch 2.5K display, 90Hz refresh rate, included Tab Pen, and Folio case. It's built for people who want performance and practicality without needing to buy extra accessories separately. Quick reminder before we jump in, the product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If these detailed breakdowns help you choose smarter tech, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let's dive into what makes this tablet such a strong option for students and everyday users. Let's start with the display, because that's the foundation of any tablet experience. This comes with an 11-inch 2.5K IPS touchscreen display with a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution. That means clearer text, sharper images, and better detail whether you're reading PDFs, attending online lectures, or watching Netflix. Compared to standard full HD screens, 2.5K resolution gives you noticeably more clarity, which makes long study sessions easier on the eyes. On top of that, you're getting a 90Hz refresh rate. That higher refresh rate makes scrolling smoother, animations more fluid, and overall navigation feel faster and more modern. Whether you're switching between apps or browsing through documents, everything feels responsive. Now let's talk performance. The Lenovo IdeaTab is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which is designed to handle everyday tasks efficiently. From web browsing and streaming to note-taking and productivity apps, this chipset keeps things running smoothly without unnecessary slowdowns. Graphics are handled by the integrated ARM Mali-G57 MC2 GPU, helping deliver stable visuals for media playback and light gaming. Whether you're streaming high-resolution content or using creative apps, the experience stays consistent. Memory is another important factor here. With 8GB of RAM, this tablet handles multitasking comfortably. You can keep your lecture open, take notes, browse the web, and switch between apps without constant lag. For students especially, that extra RAM makes a real difference in daily use. Storage is also generous. You're getting 256GB of internal storage, which gives you plenty of room for apps, assignments, downloaded lectures, movies, and creative projects. Instead of constantly worrying about space, you can keep everything stored directly on the device. Now here's where this tablet becomes more than just a screen. It includes a Tab Pen, turning it into a digital notebook. You can write notes by hand, sketch diagrams, annotate documents, and draw ideas directly on the screen. For college students, that means replacing traditional notebooks. For creatives, it opens the door to digital sketching and brainstorming. And Lenovo didn't stop there. The tablet also comes with a Folio case, which adds both protection and functionality. It protects your device from scratches and everyday wear, while also acting as a stand for comfortable viewing angles. Whether you're watching lectures or streaming content, you can prop it up easily. The 11-inch size hits a sweet spot. It's big enough for productivity and multitasking, but still compact enough to carry in a backpack without feeling bulky. That balance makes it ideal for college campuses, coffee shops, or working on the go. What really defines the Lenovo IdeaTab is how complete it feels out of the box. You're getting an 11-inch 2.5K IPS touchscreen, a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 6300 performance, ARM Mali-G57 MC2 graphics, 8GB RAM for multitasking, 256GB storage for files, an included Tab Pen, and a Folio case for protection and convenience. That combination makes it more than just an entertainment tablet. It becomes a productivity tool. This isn't just for streaming movies, it's for taking notes in class, for editing documents, for sketching ideas, for multitasking between study and entertainment. It's practical, portable, and built with real student use in mind. If you're looking for a college-ready tablet that balances display quality, smooth performance, and everyday usability in one clean package, the Lenovo IdeaTab is absolutely worth considering. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Are you using this mainly for studying, creative work, or streaming? I'll catch you in the next one.